Bitch, I got work. 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 Breaking the scheme. Bitch, I got work. Breaking the scheme. Breaking the scheme. Bitch, I got work. Bitch, I got work. Bitch, I got work. Bitch, I got work.
Bitch, I got work like a fucking employer. All of this cap and fucking annoying. We booming, explosive, that Thule, stay low.
Bitch, I got work coming straight from the border. Fuck doing taxes, I'm taxing the order. My PO think my plug my employer. Talk is cheap, so I fucking ignore ya. Chasing the paper like bitches chase me. Don't really care if I'm locked up or free, cause being locked up is so different from me. When I walk in, they treat me like a king. Better think twice about threatening me. I live for the game and die for the streets. Stick to the code, ain't a peep out of me. My loyalty got the plug running me. She wanna roll with a dope dealer. I'ma take her on a flight, business or leisure. One night, then I will leave her. I am so eager to please her. I am the pussy reliever, but I don't need her.